Electric vehicle manufacturers or electric vehicle battery manufacturers, they face these big challenges in terms of managing their toxic waste. During their manufacturing process, they produce this toxic waste. So Geosyntec can help to recycle or reuse those toxic materials, for example, acid, solvent, and then maximize their production efficiency by reusing it. We can also help them to manage the waste that should go to landfill. There's no other option for them. We can help them how to manage best their waste streams out to the landfill. Geosyntec has various practice areas who can help to solve the challenging problems for electric vehicle battery manufacturers, starting from permitting, process engineering, foundation design, even ESGs. We have practitioners with great experience and knowledge in all those areas. We can be a one-stop service point for electric vehicle manufacturers.